It's late, it's humid, it's hot, and I'm sweaty. We're slowly getting this back together. We have the water pump in completely. We have the brackets in. Hoses, new hoses are in. The old ones, you know, we're in there, might as well do them. And they were starting to, I don't know if you can kind of see it. They were starting to kind of corrode. Not the actual hoses, but inside. You know, get that build-up area. So they're starting to get pretty bad, you know. We're in there, so we might as well do it. I'll get that one done down there. And then, I don't even know, the pulley for the fan, I'll get that in. I'll get the fan in, and the fan spacer, which is hiding right there. And obviously the tensioner here, I will get that back in up here. And then I will get all of our bolts on, which are hanging over there. So next time you see me, I'll have all that completely done. Yay.